Hello and welcome to Maths at Home. I'm Tim. Today we are learning how to develop visualisation, which helps us to picture things in our mind. This is important in improving our mathematical skills. Can you picture this in your head? Imagine a red square in the middle of a piece of paper, with one of the sides parallel with the bottom of the page. Above the red square is a blue square of the same size, with the whole of the side at the bottom of the blue square touching the whole of the top of the red square. Below the red square is a green square, the same size again, with the whole of the top side of the green square touching the whole of the bottom side of the red square. Picture what I've described in your head. Does it look like this? What did I have to do to make sure you had the squares the right way round and in the right place? Notice how I explained the way round the squares were, how big they were in comparison with each other, and how they touched the other shapes. Here's another one. You can get a piece of paper and a pencil, or you can just picture it in your head. If you do it with your child, paper is good, which can always be the back of used paper as well as clean paper. Draw a circle about the size of a 10-pence piece and colour it red, or write the word red in it. At the top of the circle you're going to draw a blue square. The square is a similar size to the circle and has the corners at the top and bottom, with the bottom corner touching the circle. At the bottom of the circle is a yellow rectangle. The rectangle is about twice as big as the square. The long sides are at the top and bottom. And the top side is touching the bottom of the circle in the middle of the long side. Now I'm going to show you what you should have drawn. How did you get on? I'm now going to try describing a shape made with bricks. I have 4 bricks that join together like this. You could do this with bricks that don't join. Ready? Place the green and red bricks on the table. Touching each other. I have the bobbly bits facing up. Take the yellow brick and place it half on the green and half on the red brick. Finally, put the blue brick on top of the yellow brick, covering the whole of the top of the yellow brick. Does yours look like this? You can make more complicated shapes or even use household objects. It's also good to get the one who is drawing or making the shape to ask questions for clarification. This helps the language. As you create more complicated shapes, you can also use more complicated language. Try this harder one. Draw an equilateral triangle with the sides about 3 centimeters long, with one of the sides at the top. It will look like an arrowhead pointing down. Colour or label it blue. Touching the triangle is a red square with sides about 2 centimeters long. The sides of the square are at 45 degrees. One corner of the square is touching the centre of the side of the triangle at the top. Finally, there is a green circle. The diameter of the circle is 3 centimeters, and its centre is the corner of the triangle at the bottom. The circle appears to be under the blue triangle. You may want to stop the video or repeat any of it before seeing what you should have drawn. Have you finished? Here's the drawing. If you want to find out more about visualization, then Google Enrich Visualization, where there's an article with other ideas. Thanks very much for watching this video, and have some fun visualizing.